So in this video, we're going to compare Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign across features, automation, ease of use, pricing, and customer reviews. And by the end, I'll tell you which platform I think is better for different types of businesses. Let's start with Mailchimp. Mailchimp is one of the best known email marketing platforms on the market. It's designed to make creating and sending email campaigns relatively simple, especially for small businesses, startups, e-commerce companies, and beginners. With Mailchimp, you get a drag and drop email builder, email templates, sign-up forms, landing pages, audience management, segmentation, A/B testing, campaign analytics, automated customer journeys, and e-commerce integrations. Mailchimp also has AI-powered features that can help with content creation and campaign optimization. Its higher tier plans add more advanced segmentation, dynamic content, predictive insights, custom reporting, and additional testing capabilities. One of Mailchimp's biggest advantages is ease of use. If you're completely new to email marketing, Mailchimp generally feels easier to understand than a more automation-heavy platform like ActiveCampaign. You can create a campaign, choose a template, add your content, select your audience, and send it without having to build a complicated automation system. Mailchimp also offers a free plan, although the current free tier is limited to 250 contacts and 500 email sends per month, with a daily send limit of 250. For paid plans, Mailchimp currently offers Essentials, Standard, and Premium options. Pricing depends on the number of contacts and the plan you select. As one current reference point, Mailchimp's standard plan is listed at $45 per month for 1,000 contacts, while premium is $350 per month for 1,000 contacts. Mailchimp's pricing can change depending on promotions, billing terms, and audience size. So it's worth checking the current pricing page before subscribing. Mailchimp also has a pay-as-you-go option, which allows businesses with seasonal sending needs to purchase email credits instead of paying a monthly subscription. Now let's talk about ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign takes a different approach. While Mailchimp focuses heavily on making email marketing easy, ActiveCampaign is built around marketing automation and customer journeys. You can create automated workflows based on triggers such as a form submission, email interaction, website activity, purchases, or other customer actions. You can then create branching workflows that send different messages depending on what each customer does. ActiveCampaign also includes email campaigns, segmentation, forms, landing pages, A/B testing, reporting, CRM functionality, e-commerce integrations, and AI-powered features. It supports more than 1,000 integrations, including tools such as Shopify, WordPress, Salesforce, Stripe, WooCommerce, Zapier, and many others. And this is where ActiveCampaign really starts to pull ahead. If your business depends heavily on automation, ActiveCampaign gives you much more flexibility. For example, you could create a workflow where someone downloads an ebook, receives a welcome email, gets tagged based on their interests, receives a follow-up message, and then enters a different sequence depending on whether they opened or clicked your previous emails. You can also connect marketing activity with CRM and sales processes. That makes ActiveCampaign particularly interesting for businesses that have moved beyond basic newsletters and want email marketing to become part of a larger sales and customer management system. Now let's talk about pricing. ActiveCampaign doesn't currently offer a permanent free plan like Mailchimp. Instead, it offers a 14-day free trial. For 1,000 contacts, ActiveCampaign's current starting prices are approximately $15 per month for starter, $49 for plus, $79 for pro, and $145 for enterprise based on annual billing. The starter plan already includes email marketing, automation, limited segmentation, A/B testing, forms, an AI-powered automation builder, CRM functionality, and hundreds of automation recipes. However, Starter limits each automation to 5 actions, plus removes that limitation and adds features such as unlimited automation actions, landing pages, more advanced customer insights, and additional AI capabilities. Pro adds advanced segmentation, predictive sending, conditional content, attribution, and conversion tracking, and other advanced automation features. Enterprise adds things things such as premium segmentation, custom objects, single sign-on, a dedicated account team, and enterprise-level support. So when it comes to pricing, Mailchimp can be attractive if you simply want to send newsletters and basic campaigns, while ActiveCampaign can provide substantially more automation functionality at relatively low entry pricing. But pricing isn't everything. Let's talk about ease of use. And here, I would give Mailchimp the advantage. Mailchimp is generally easier for beginners. Its interface and campaign building process are designed around getting an email campaign created quickly. ActiveCampaign has a steeper learning curve because it gives you considerably more control. That extra flexibility is great once you understand automation, but it can also feel overwhelming when you're starting out. Now, let's talk about segmentation and personalization. Both platforms support segmentation, but ActiveCampaign is particularly strong when your segmentation strategy is connected to automated customer journeys. You can use customer behavior and other data to determine what happens next in an automation. Mailchimp also offers advanced segmentation and dynamic content on higher plans, making it a strong choice for businesses that want personalization without necessarily building extremely complicated workflows. For e-commerce, both platforms offer useful integrations and automation capabilities. ActiveCampaign is especially attractive when you want customer behavior, marketing automation, and CRM functionality working together. Mailchimp, meanwhile, can be a simpler option for businesses that primarily need campaigns, newsletters, audience management, and straightforward e-commerce marketing. Now let's look at customer reviews on Trustpilot. This is where things get interesting. At the time of checking, Mailchimp's Trustpilot profile showed a trust score around 2.5 out of 5, with roughly 1,000 reviews displayed in the result. Many of the negative reviews discuss customer service, billing, account issues, and difficulties with support. ActiveCampaign also has a mixed Trustpilot profile. Its Trustpilot rating was around 2.8 to 3 out of 5, depending on the regional Trustpilot page, with more than 1,000 reviews. The reviews are mixed. Some customers praise ActiveCampaign's automation, email delivery, support, and flexibility. Other reviewers complain about pricing, billing, cancellation, or downgrade experiences, and customer support. For example, recent Trustpilot reviews include both 5-star customers praising the platform and 1-star reviews criticizing billing and customer service. It's important to remember that Trustpilot reviews are not a perfect measure of software quality. People who have a particularly good or bad experience may be more motivated to leave reviews. So I would use these ratings as one signal rather than the deciding factor. So which one should you choose? If you're a beginner, a small business owner, a blogger, or someone who mainly wants to create attractive newsletters and straightforward email campaigns, I would lean toward Mailchimp. It's easier to get started, it has a free plan, and it provides a strong collection of standard email marketing features. But if your business depends on sophisticated automation, segmentation, customer journeys, CRM functionality, and sales-oriented marketing workflows, I would choose ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is more powerful, but that power comes with additional complexity. And here's my final verdict. For simplicity and beginner-friendly email marketing, Mailchimp wins. For automation, personalization, and advanced marketing workflows, ActiveCampaign wins. For basic newsletters and straightforward campaigns, choose Mailchimp. For businesses that want email marketing to become a serious part of their sales and automation system, choose ActiveCampaign. So there isn't one universal winner. Mailchimp is the better choice if you want simplicity. ActiveCampaign is the better choice if you want depth. And if you're still undecided, both platforms give you ways to test their products before making a long-term commitment. Let me know in the comments which platform you would choose, Mailchimp or ActiveCampaign. And if you found this comparison useful, subscribe to Secure Online for more detailed comparisons of the world's leading business and SaaS software.